Hi friends, I am happy to be a part of Lisa Lecture Series initiative of LIS Academy. We are making efforts to bring eminent speakers from all domains to share their perspectives on LIS profession. I am sure this intellectual saga will definitely help our fellow professionals to reposition themselves to meet the challenges and the changing dynamics of LIS profession due to the technological innovation. I thank LIS Academy for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of this initiative. I wish this initiative a grand success. Let us join our hands and contribute to make this event a unique one. I request all of you to give a wider publicity and share this posting on your social media platform. Thank you.
Dear professional friends, the LIS profession is witnessing a phenomenal transformation in its all spheres and posing new challenges and greater opportunities. It is important to understand the change, the driving factor, and reinvent ourselves to emerge as a relevant profession in serving the community at large. Friends, LIS Academy is happy to introduce a monthly Lisa lecture series by inviting well-known speakers from all domains who are great admirers of libraries to share their perspectives, ideas, and expectations in this changing scenario. I am sure this LIS lecture series will eventually evolve as a learning platform to address various aspects of LIS profession. This lecture series is being inaugurated by Padma Bhushan Professor P. Balram, former Director, Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. He will be delivering the first lecture of the series on 14th November 2020, the first day of National Library Week. The subsequent lectures will be delivered by eminent personalities, namely Professor Sudha Rao, former Vice Chancellor of KSOU and former CEO of Jnana Ayog, Government of Karnataka. Professor H. A. Ranganath, former Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University and former Director of NAC, Bangalore. Finally, I request all my professional friends to make use of this opportunity and participate in this event in a large number. Thank you one and all.